definitely not financial advice. This is mostly just my opinion. Okay, if you're looking for the best stonks, well, I don't know, but oh, hey friends, what's up? Today on Hidden Secrets Revealed Live. This is what's happening. Okay, so there's 3 market factors that are affecting social, entertainment, and money platforms, namely Meta, Facebook, Spotify, and PayPal. Okay, this is my analysis. Something crazy is going on. I want to tell you about today on Hidden Secrets Revealed Live. The idea is simple. Every day, Monday through Friday, I go live for about 10 minutes. I want to help you look good, feel good, and smell good. In the process, I reveal the hidden secrets of the universe at no extra charge. You're welcome. You're watching Hidden Secrets Revealed Live, which is a production of Safe New Media, unconventional, diversified, global digital media company devoted to the practice, administration, and dissemination of the ideologies of its founder, yours truly. It is definitely not a cult, no matter what you've heard. This is brought to you by my new album. I have an album, a record that I made. Yes, I make music. It is called Surplus, and you can check it out at safenewmedia.com/surplus. I'm going to play you 15 seconds of this is commercial, and it's 15 seconds of this song, the first single that came out called The Love Cascade. I'm working on there's a new video that's going to come out, but just indulge me for a sec.
In the last days, divisions apart from the love cascade. Motives bed with a mark of Cain apart from the love cascade.
Okay, so I'm going to get the other sponsors, I guess you could say, out of the way. These are just things that I think are good that I recommend. Number one, listen to my record. I really appreciate it. There is an NFT of the album. I will give you a money back guarantee. If you invest in the NFT, there's a link on my Twitter. There's a pinned tweet on my Twitter. My Twitter is at Sean Allen Fenn. I have it posted there. If it doesn't change your life, if you invest, you listen for 90 days, it doesn't change your life, I'll give you your money back. So that's my guarantee to you. My friends are watching Hidden Secrets Revealed Live behind the scenes on Instagram. Okay, I have a very interesting perspective on this situation. And okay, here it is. So Q4, it didn't meet expectations for these 3 tech giants, right? Namely Meta, Facebook, and PayPal, and Spotify. Okay, so shares of PayPal slid 27%, Spotify tanked 17%, and Meta, Facebook, Q4 earnings decreased from $11.2 billion or $3.88 per share to $10.3 billion or $3 $4.67 per share. So PayPal stock slides on inflation concerns was kind of the main takeaway. Shares of payment processor PayPal Holdings, they hit PYPL on the exchange, on NASDAQ, slid by nearly 27% from their previous close in morning trading today. I'm going to go over a few things, but bear with me. So I want to run this by you guys. Leave a comment, smash that subscribe button. So PayPal also indicated that its revenue growth, projected revenue growth, to be between 15% and 17% for full year 2022, compared to a consensus estimate of 17.9%. PayPal CEO Dan Schulman told this to CNBC that while he expects revenue growth to accelerate in the second half of 2022, his company faces headwinds from exogenous factors, such as the negative impact of inflation on consumer spending and supply chain issues that are disproportionately impacting cross-border payments. Okay, so that's what this CEO stated as the reason. PayPal missed user growth targets for Q4 2021 partly due to 4.5 million illegitimate accounts that had joined its platform. So this is kind of a weird thing, but so there's 4.5 million illegitimate accounts that joined because of some offer. They make these offers to get people to join, and I guess that many are illegitimate. So those 4.5 million illegitimate accounts joined the PayPal platform during incentive-based campaigns. Finance and tech companies, they'll offer perks like this, cash bonuses to drive users to their apps, right? So Spotify stock tanked 17.2% after hours following a fourth quarter earnings report where revenues outperformed its loss. It wasn't as bad as expected, but user guidance for the current quarter fell just short of expectations. So monthly active users rose 18% to 406 million, in line with the forecast, and total premium subscribers rose 16% to 180 million. Ad-supported, the premium, I guess, users brought in 236 million. Average revenue per share per user was better than expected. And now Meta platforms, Facebook, Meta, Meta is the parent company of Facebook. Their fourth quarter earnings decreased. They had a double-digit growth in revenues, and earnings missed their analysis forecast, right? Revenues increased by 20% to $33.67 billion in the fourth quarter, most of the growth coming from their core advertising segment. The analyst, I guess, had forecasted slower growth. Their top line benefit from a 5% increase in daily active users. The end of the quarter, they had 2.91 billion monthly active users. 2.91 billion monthly active users. Now, I want to get to what these three market factors, what's happening here. Okay. Fourth quarter net profit decreased to $10.3 billion, or $3.67 per share, from $11.2 billion, or $3.88 per share in the same quarter. for Meta. So their earnings missed, but here's what's happening. So there's three factors, market factors, that I think are at work here. Number one, technological. As technology advances, the world is changing. All right, think about it. When Gutenberg invented the printing press, information spread rapidly. When the internet was invented by Al Gore invented the internet, right? That would be the beginning of dematerialization. Now, we look back on this and we refer to it as Web 1, Web 2, and we're entering Web 3. But there was a new technology that was invented in the last 15 years that will usher in a new way of life. What is it? That is Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, which is inseparable from blockchain. Now, the second factor, this is just how I see it, is economic. Okay, on a macro level, not much has changed besides the widening chasm between the rich and poor. Now, with the rise of digital assets, new wealth is being created, and PayPal has dipped its proverbial toes into crypto. They have Bitcoin on their balance sheet, but they will get left behind if PayPal doesn't allow a fiat to crypto on ramp and off ramp. So, like, right now they're just fiat currency. If they, I don't know. What do I know? But I don't know if they have any plans. But they have Bitcoin on the balance sheet, and they own Venmo, and you can buy crypto on Venmo, but you can't do anything else with it except HODL. But I don't know anyone who uses Venmo for crypto. Now, the third thing is cultural shifts. So the infrastructure and community of Web3 is underway right now. Decentralization is protection against cancel culture. I have to tell you something. We've seen, recently, a certain boomer music artist that will go unnamed who pulled his music from Spotify. No, Spotify, they're a big entertainment company, and they're still the Web 2 kind of entity, platform. They don't pay very much to artists per stream, but they can't, I guess, to make a profit. So, but we're seeing something new happening here. Transactions are trustless and leverage is permissionless. Okay, but something happened recently in the NFT space. There is this platform called HitPiece. There's this NFT. They're total scammers. Let me show you. Do you know about this? There's this scam platform called HitPiece that is taking NFTs and minting the music from Spotify and making NFTs unauthorized. And it's a big deal. It's bad. But let me show you. Now, this isn't verified, but this is interesting. Okay, it's honestly, this is unverified, but this is a inside some inside information about this. So this person, Danny Barros on Twitter, I guess, posted this from Discord. So can you see this? Okay, so apparently the founder of this thing called Hit Piece, Rory Felton, has a relationship with Spotify and got API access, which automatically lists the music as NFTs. Supposedly, anytime an NFT is sold, they hold the money for the artist to claim, and if they wish not to sell it, they return the money to the consumer. Rory claims they respond swiftly to DMCA requests. The website is, I don't know, on the front end was taken down. They are reportedly anticipating a ton of lawsuits and hope these lawsuits will lead to major press and position them to cut deals with the labels and artists involved. Also worth noting, they raised $5 million in funding so far. Shady. But this kind of thing is happening now. So the next generation may not be loyal to Meta. They may not be loyal to Spotify, especially after this Hit Piece thing or PayPal. When something better may be built, not by these corporations, but by DAOs and smart contracts. I don't know. Do you follow me with this? This is what I think is happening. So if you disagree, let me know. Leave a comment. Smash that subscribe button. I'm going to wrap it up now. I appreciate you guys. If you have a business that could use double your ideal customers in half the time, if that would benefit you, there's a link in the description. I also recommend canceling brain fog forever. I recommend this. This is a supplement called Effing Focus. I'm waiting for my order. So, sorry if I lose focus, but I'm waiting for my order to come in, my new shipment. But it's very good. Check it out. I also recommend Visible. There's a link to try Visible. That's the best phone service, mobile service on the Verizon network. Try it for $5. You can't go wrong. All right. That's all the time I have for today. Appreciate you guys. I have spoken.